Welcome back to Sunday Gun Day. This week, we're visiting a true modern stalwart of the hunting world, the Ruger American Rifle Standard. A black synthetic stocked workhorse, this offering from Ruger has been in production for around 8 years now, and has earned quite a few devotees since its introduction. Starting from the rifle's rear, a soft rubber butt pad is built on to absorb recoil. Just forward of this sits a swivel stud, making sling attachment easy. The pistol grip features an ergonomic molding pattern inset into the top of the stock with a 5-fingered, textured grip pattern. This allows your hand to sit naturally with your thumb in easy reach of the tang safety. The trigger is a Ruger Marksman Adjustable, which boasts a user-adjustable weight between 3 and 5 pounds. A bladed trigger, the release is crisp and consistent, with immaculately smooth travel, making accuracy easy even for an inexperienced hand. The bolt handle, sitting above, can be worked with a smooth motion. It connects to a one-piece 3-lug bolt with 70 degrees of throw, allowing for plenty of scope clearance. The bolt itself uses a full-diameter bolt body with dual cocking cams. This, no doubt, contributes to the easy cycling of the rifle. Atop the matte black steel receiver runs a length of Picatinny rail, making the mounting of optics quick and easy. Threaded into the receiver is a cold hammer forged barrel with precision 5-groove rifling to provide both longevity and minute of angle accuracy. This combines with a patented power bedding integral bedded block system which positively locates the receiver and floats the barrel. Beneath all this, the forestock sports an ergonomic shape and texturing for added purchase. Finally, the rifle is fed by a removable box magazine holding 4 rounds no matter what caliber. Speaking of caliber, the rifle comes in a number of short and long action offerings. Ours was chambered in the venerable 30-06 Springfield, however models in .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, .308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 7mm 08 Remington are also available. Barrel length sits at 22 inches across all calibers, though the 6.5 Creedmoor model does offer a 26-inch barrel as well. One more thing to note about the 6.5 Creedmoor chambered variants, they are only available from select distributors. The model wearing a 22-inch barrel can be purchased only from Lipsey's distributors, while the 26-inch barreled variant is a Big Rock Sports distributor exclusive. Out on the range, the Ruger American performed like a true standard. Light, but not ultralight at 6.2 pounds, the rifle was easy to heft, yet simultaneously soft on the shoulder, despite its stout chambering. Whether from a bench or offhand, the gun balanced well and held true, with an easy squeeze of the trigger completing the equation to send shots downrange with precise accuracy. Finally, the bolt requires little to no break-in time, with a smooth action right out of the box. For more information on this stalwart hunting gun, which retails for $489, please visit Ruger.com, and as always, for more Sunday Gun Day any day of the week, please visit AmericanHunter.org.